Today I want to talk to you about our Leaf People Classic Skincare Kits. We offer these kits in each of our different product lines, and this is the perfect kit for skincare lovers. This is a 3-step kit with products that are a little bit more familiar with those who like to have a complex regime. I love this kit because it gives you 3 of the key steps that you can then add other products to. So you could use a wash that you have at home. Likewise, you could add a cream of your own choice at the end, or one of our Leaf People creams at the end. As this skincare aficionado here really loves this one. These products are all cold extracted and will fit into that raw lifestyle. This wonderful minimalist set of 3 can be used morning and evening. And as I mentioned, you would cleanse however you wish. So for some people, that's with something as simple as water or an oil cleanser, one of our Leaf People cleansers. You can also just use a soap. We suggest using something that rinses really clean. And then you would follow with the toner, and we like you to use the toners with a cotton pad such as this to help collect any debris from the skin. They will help collect dead skin cells or leftover makeup or sunscreen that might be on your skin, so that your skin is really prepped for the hydration stages. Then what I like to do is mist 3 or 4 pumps of mist on my face. And then while the mist is still on my skin, I quickly apply the serum so that you're mixing the mist and serum together on your skin and creating a fresh lotion. And then you can stop there with your hydration steps if you like, or you could add a touch of cream on top. And then as always, if you're going to be outside, please do your sunscreen last after these steps. You can find these products on our starter and travel kits page. They are a wonderful way to explore different product lines within Leaf People. They also make lovely gifts for others. I also love these products as a way to mix around my skincare. So I might have a kit from one line and then pick a couple of my favorite items from another line and create my own special regime. Take some time and explore our starter and travel kits page. We know you're going to find some lovely options that you love.